Step 1. Applying a black primer. Step 2. Applying the ceramic clear coat ceramic spray. Apply NeoChrome to a hard and shiny surface. Drying and curing 2 to 7 days depending on the ambient temperature. Gentle dry cleaning without cleaning agents, using a microfiber cloth. Step 3. Apply NeoChrome paint. Important: alternate between spraying on a thin layer and allowing it to evaporate completely. Second coat always with thin layers. Use a warm air source in cold temperatures to promote evaporation. Apply a third thin layer if the coverage is insufficient, visible black background. The clear coat can be applied over the NeoChrome spray paint under 3 drying conditions. Drying 10 minutes at 20 Celsius degrees, plus silax fixative or baking at 60 degrees for 2-3 hours, or drying at 20 degrees for 5 days. This video shows the first 2 drying methods. Let's put the rim 2 into the oven 15 minutes at 50 degrees. Back to rim 1. Drying 23 degrees in 10 minutes. Step 4. Apply Silax P760 fixing primer with 2 thin coats. When silax is dry, reflections appear that look like oil slick stains. Silax fixing primer second coat. The oil slick reflections caused by silax disappear with the clear coat. Rim 2, drying 50 degrees, 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and temper. Step 4. Glossy clear coat, ceramic clear coat. ST8800 in spray. Over cured rim, 15 minutes at 50 Celsius degrees, without silax primer. Back to rim 1, silax primer dry for 5 minutes.
Vamos.
Step 5. Glossy top coat, ceramic clear coat. Over silax primer, dried for 5 minutes. NeoChrome is a corrosion and UV-resistant paint, whose appearance is therefore permanent and guaranteed not to oxidize or yellow.